Hello Internet, hello YouTube, hello friends! Today we're going to be opening up January 2020 Macy's Beauty Box. For those of you unfamiliar with the Macy's Beauty Box, it is supplied by Macy's. Yes. It's a monthly subscription, runs $15 a month. It is plus tax, so I end up paying about $16.05. Usually includes 5 deluxe and sample size products, plus 1 bonus item. So let's go back in time and see what's included in my Macy's Beauty Box for January 2020. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. If you like what you'll see, hit that like button. And if you want to see more of me, the subscribe button. You get a little pamphlet which gives you a full list of everything included, brief description about the product, and how much the full size costs. You get a nice little $5 off coupon if you do want to end up shopping at Macy's. This month it's going to be over an $80 value included in the box, and it's called the Hydration Station, so I'm excited to see. Opening up the box, everything is wrapped in pink wrapping paper. Sunday Riley, and it's called Good Genes, and it's a lactic acid treatment that will exfoliate your skin and get rid of dead cells that clog pores and give you that perfect dewy finish for the low cost of $105. Wow. I'm a fan of Sunday Riley. I've heard about the Good Genes. Standard size is 1 ounce. Oh, 1 ounce for $105? Oh man, whoa dude. 0.17 fluid ounces. So this is roughly about $17.85. This is almost $20 right here for this little sample size. Oh, the $105 just really hurts my heart. It's not even freaking full. The Good Genes is clinically proven to plump the look of fine lines and wrinkles in as few as 3 minutes. That's pretty fast. Formulated with high potency, purified grade lactic acid, it exfoliates the dull surface of the skin for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin. And the formula is enhanced with licorice extract. It doesn't smell like licorice, just so you know. To visibly brighten the appearance of age spots and discolorations. Use day or night. Apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean dry skin as a leave-on treatment. It's a leave-on treatment? Okay. Feels okay. It's no tingling. It's so weird. This is supposed to be an exfoliator. It's a lactic acid treatment. This is very strange. Not sure how it exfoliates the skin. Every time I exfoliate, I'm like scrubbing. There's scrubbing involved. I don't have sensitive skin, so I'm just gonna leave it on because I'm feeling kind of lazy right now. I think that I did this in the wrong order, but that's okay. Apparently this was created just for Macy's, and it's a jade roller, and it says dating back to the 17th century China. This baby is known to smooth and depuff your skin and increase lymphatic drainage. Lymphatic drainage? I'm gonna have to look this one up. What the hell is lymphatic drainage? To increase the flow of lymph and reduce toxins in your body. The lymph system is part of your body's immune system and helps fight infection. Okay. Also means pure water. Pro tip, use with your favorite serum or face oil, rolling up and away from the center of your face. Got it. So that is what the jade roller looks like. There actually is not a price listed on the pamphlet, but I did go to the Macy's website. A similar jade roller on the Macy's website runs $25. Caudali, and this is a SOS thirst quenching serum. And it's to restore the moisture balance of your skin with this ultra luxe and oil-free serum for the low cost of $49. Didn't you know? Apparently in the winter they think your skin is dull, that it doesn't shine and glisten. It is looking pretty good after that Sunday Riley. Not mad at that. Sunday Riley is good for $105 though. Ooh. It's a bit higher than I can handle, but I'm okay with a nice little sample. If anyone wants to send me one though, I'm all about that. So it's $49 for 1 ounce of this, and this is 0.33 ounces. So this little sample is $16.17. Wow, it's pricey. prices. I'm just like blown away by how much these samples cost. I'm like, oh, like $5, $10. No, 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 almost 20. Oh. Ooh, it's runny. That's a serum. And it's hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic and oil-free. And I'm just going to use the facial roller and roll it away from my face. Get those bags out of the way. Thank you very much. If I'm doing it wrong, don't tell me. Get that drainage going. Ooh, pro tips. Place roller in refrigerator for 30 minutes prior to using. Clean with soapy water and wipe dry after use. Hashtag Macy's Beauty. So that is good. Get my little roll on. Ooh, looking super cute. Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye. And it's an overnight refresh on those eyes. Hydrate and brighten while you sleep. And that's what it looks like. It's so tiny and cute. So small. Full size of this is 0.5 ounces, runs $62. Wow, skincare is expensive. And that's what it looks like on the inside. The sparkle of youth is in your eyes. This supercharged treatment, now with 10 times concentrated repair technology, helps repair the visible impact of lack of sleep, UV pollution, even blue light. Brightens dark circles in 3 weeks, so if you got that, I guess this is it. And hydrates 24 hours. Apply AM and PM to clean skin around the eye area. I'm just going to let that dry down a little bit before I move on. It's looking really fresh and so clean. I'm very, very happy. This is really surprising. I thought I'd be like, I need makeup, but no, skincare is good too. Yes, a nice nighttime routine is fantastic. Clinique Moisture Surge, and this is a 72-hour auto-replenishing hydrator. Such cute packaging. I've actually used this before. I ran out, so I'm more than happy to test it out again. This Wonder Gel Cream goes on smooth and has auto-replenishing properties to help your skin rehydrate itself up to 72 hours. So the full size is 1.7 ounces for $39.50, and this is 0.5 ounces. So this would be roughly about $11.62. So that is what that looks like. There's a pink tint to it, and it's for all skin types, and it provides an instant moisture boost and is now enhanced to deliver almost twice as much hydration at the end of the day than it did before. The new auto-replenishing technology with activated aloe water actually helps skin create its own internal water source. Wow, this nighttime routine is just pretty awesome. So good. Skin's feeling a little sensitive right now. Everything I'm putting on it. I'm just going to use that little jade roller one more time. Plump this stuff up. Move the skin where it's supposed to be. Fight gravity. I really like that. That was like really nice. Feeling very refreshed. I like that I'm looking hydrated without looking oily. This is pretty good. Right before bed, this is like perfect. Perfection. Thank you very much. They also included Ava Sea Kissed Hand Cream. Oh, it says dry knuckles meet your match. This mineral-rich cream moisturizes and smooths your skin. Plus, you'll love the breezy aquatic scent. Pro tip, apply regularly to protect your skin from the cold weather ahead. I actually do need a hand cream. I just ran out of the one I was using. So hopefully this keeps my hands nice and moisturized and keeps it from being dry and cracked. So it's $24 for 3.4 ounces, and this is 1.3. So this is roughly about $9. Yeah, this bag is pretty good. Is it blue? That'd be so strange if it's blue. It is not blue. Okay. I don't know why I did that. That's like the oddest place for me to put it. Why did I do this? Ooh, apparently it's Ava's best-selling hand cream. It's not just a regular hand cream. Allantonin heals dry, cracked skin and blemishes. Witch hazel extracts. Sanitizes and smooths the skin. See how it feels. Ooh, it is a really nice scent. I'm a fan of the scent. The consistency, I don't want to say it's a lighter hand cream, but you definitely do have to apply this throughout the day. This isn't a one and done situation. I usually prefer thicker. I always say that. I always usually prefer a thicker moisturizer or a hand cream. I don't like reapplying hand creams, so whatever lotion I'm using, I like a one and done, unless I'm washing my hands, of course. This particular one is just one you're just going to have to keep reapplying throughout the day. Best selling? It's probably because of the scent. I don't think this, for me, would probably last that long. Especially in the winter, like, my hands get dry. I need, like, you need to be thick, baby. Other than that, smells great, feels great on my skin. I just prefer a little bit thicker of a moisturizer or hand cream, that's all. Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. Really does feel good though. Drenches your hands in velvety smoothness, while marine and floral notes awaken your senses. Ooh, you are sea-kissed. Sounds so poetic. Apply anytime. Approved for sensitive skin. That was really nice. This is like the perfect nighttime routine. They also included Burberry, ooh, and it's called Her Blossom Eau de Parfum. And it says this London-inspired scent reflects the adventurous and bold spirit of the city. Whoa. An energetic and addictive blend of gourmand fruity notes, jasmine and other floral notes, and musk. Yeah, I don't know if I like this. So full size of this would be $109 for 3.3 ounces, and I got 0.05, so roughly about $1 and change. I'm actually just gonna spray it on the cardboard, not on myself, just because I don't really want to go to bed smelling like a jasmine and floral musk. You can keep that. Oh wow, this is actually really nice. I thought I would hate it, but I'm not mad. So this is good. So the top notes are floral gourmand, mandarin, that's probably what it is, the citrus, pink peppercorn. Middle notes are plum blossom, peony, and the bottom notes are musk and sandalwood. Oh wow, so it's like grounded in like guy stuff too. I'm all about it. I'm actually happy. I was nervous, I was like, but no, that actually smells really good. And we got another perfume bottle. This is for him, I'm assuming, and it's a Versace.
Thanks, I bought it at Versace.
Euros Flame Eau de Parfum. We also included a scent for him to love. Versace's spicy blend of Italian fruits, exotic black pepper, flowers, and woods. It doesn't sound sexy. Flowers and woods? I run away from the woods. What the hell? Full size of this is 3.4 ounces and costs $102. 0.03 ounces. So this would be like 90 cents. Wow, these samples are really cheap of perfume. And the bottles cost so damn much. This is so crazy. I never calculated sample sizes for perfume before, but it's cheap. Cheaper than everything else I got over here. Alright, same thing. I'm just going to spray on here so I don't have man scent when I go to bed. Wave it up. Ooh, wow. That is strong. It's a bit too spicy for me. Oh, that's a strong one. That would not be me. Okay, so the top notes are Italian Hesperidic fruits. What? And it's lemon, tangerine, Chinotto accord. No idea what that is, but sure. Middle notes are black pepper, wild mountain rosemary, pepperwood, geranium, rose. This is a lot in here. I think it's just too much. No. It's way too overpowering for me. Meanwhile, I'm like sticking my nose right in it too. Ignore me. So the bottom notes are Texas cedar, patchouli cure, Haitian vetiver, mountain oak, moss accord, sandalwood, tonka bean, and vanilla. Bro, too much Versace. Too much. Versace, thank you, but no thank you. I shall pass this along to someone I don't like so I don't have to smell them. That's it. That was everything in my Macy's beauty box. Bye.